We understand how you wish you had an accurate measurer on hand when regarding home remodeling or improvement, and prioritize your safety on the road. Or what about this cool microbot? Well, stick around because we have some very interesting picks for you today. All the links to the products are in the description below, and make sure you subscribe. Acecore Technologies Zoe Zetona Commercial Drone. Enjoy unobstructed views from the top to bottom with Acecore Technologies Zoe Zetona Commercial Drone. This powerful drone can stabilize and manage the 60-megapixel Sony A7R IV for a whopping 25 minutes. What's more, the Zetona can serve as an inspection tool for high-value and high-risk industrial tasks. Moreover, the camera automatically geotags each image's EXIF data during mapping missions. Plus, the integrated 2-axis gimbal tilts the camera 90 degrees downward when you want it to. Finally, this drone has optimized workflows for both single and dual operator setups. Libratone BIRD Small Bluetooth Speaker. If you love listening to music aloud, the Libratone BIRD Small Bluetooth Speaker connects to 2 speakers to enhance the sound and create a louder volume. This wireless device lasts for up to 10 hours and is portable, allowing you to take it wherever you go. Most impressively, you can operate this small Bluetooth speaker by voice assistant. This gadget has a magnetic base, so you can place it on metallic surfaces. For further flexibility, it comes with a separate metal holder so you can attach it to various places. Finally, it connects to your device via Bluetooth so you can play your favorite tunes without a cord. Relay Screenless Smartphone. Keeping track of your kids just became easier with the Relay Screenless Smartphone. Essentially a walkie-talkie with GPS built in, this device provides all the parental benefits of the smartphone without any distracting games or apps. Kids need only press the central button to contact their parents via an app. With the forthcoming SOS feature and geofencing location alerts, the Relay Screenless Smartphone is perfect for safety-concerned parents. Tronsmart Bang Outdoor Party Speaker. Immerse yourself in music while powering your gadgets with the Tronsmart Bang Outdoor Party Speaker. It features a built-in power bank to charge your devices in an emergency. All the while, this music gadget features LED lights that flash to the beat of your music for up to 8 hours non-stop. Finally, NFC seamless connectivity provides quick access to your devices with minimal delays to get the party started sooner. Leverpresso Pro Portable Lever Espresso Maker. Make your best coffee drinks ever right at home with the Leverpresso Pro Portable Lever Espresso Maker. Helping you get barista-level coffee drinks, this gadget operates fully by hand. It has a pressure gauge with up to 9 bars of pressure and gives you even more precise adjustment control. Together, these features let you control the pressure, the amount of coffee, and the extraction time. Using IMS competition line filters also gives you great extraction. Philips Hue Resonant Sleek Outdoor Lamp. Make your home's entryway stand out with the Philips Hue Resonant Sleek Outdoor Lamp. This wall-mounted lamp looks great on its own, but the sleek, triangular light it produces is what makes it unique. Shining out the top and bottom, the triangular light makes a statement on your exterior wall. If you don't want to use the Resonate out front, you can instead install it in your backyard for ambient lighting. Because it's a Philips Hue lamp, you can control it with the Hue app, so you'll be able to manage its schedule and change the color of the lights. In fact, you'll have access to more than 16 million LED colors with this single lamp, so you may want to pick more than one a day for some flair. All you need is the Hue bridge and you'll be ready to go with this outdoor light fixture. OPPO AR Glasses Concept Eyewear. The OPPO AR Glasses 201 Concept Eyewear is compatible with hand gestures and voice controls for a user-friendly design. These features allow you to experience incredible augmentations that are brought to reality. In addition, the OPPO AR Glasses 2021 will include 5G, AR, flash charging, and imaging and software optimization. They'll tether to a smartphone so you can relish all of the features and benefits. Finally, compared to its predecessor, the glasses will be 75% lighter, making them comfortable for long wear. Overall, these glasses will transform how you live your daily life. Roland Bridge Cast Dual Bus Gaming Mixer. Elevate your online gaming audio with the Roland Bridge Cast Dual Bus Gaming Mixer. This desktop hub boasts plenty of features that help you rise above the competition. Yes, you can amp up your sound using a broadcast-grade dynamic or condenser mic. Moreover, you can even morph your voice to match your character thanks to processing derived from Roland's VT voice transformer products. Sony Project Leonardo Accessibility Controller Kit. Remove barriers to gaming with the Sony Project Leonardo Accessibility Controller Kit for PS5. Its multiple customizations help users with disabilities play easily and comfortably for extended periods. There's a range of analog stick caps and buttons in different shapes and sizes. Players also get software customizations like button mapping and control profiles. Sennheiser Conversation Clear Plus hearing aids. Hear every word when you have the Sennheiser Conversation Clear Plus. These hearing aids provide crisp conversation quality, even if you're in a noisy environment. Overall, this improves the clarity of your conversations. Additionally, these speech-enhanced consumer wearables let you choose how much background noise you want to hear. For example, you can choose ambient awareness mode for more connection with the outside environment. Devialet Classic Phantom 2000 watt speaker. If you're looking for a sound system that both looks and sounds beautiful, look to the Devialet Classic Phantom 2000 watt speaker. This uniquely shaped Devialet speaker brings you the high fidelity sound the company is known for. In fact, you'll hear your favorite songs as you've never experienced them before thanks to the sub-bass and ultra-sharp trebled notes. SONOFF MS01 Smart Soil Moisture Sensor. You will be able to take care of your flowers even during a long journey or while you are on vacation. Even on vacation with the SONOFF MS01, you will check your flowers and decide when it is best to water them. Remote control from anywhere via smartphone of any electrical load. Voice control via Alexa and Google Home. Thanks to the IP55 protection, you can safely leave your SONOFF MS01 in the ground even below rain or while watering your plants. Samsung HW-Q990C soundbar boasts Dolby Atmos. Listen to your movies and TV shows with incredible sound on the Samsung HW-Q990C soundbar, delivering Dolby Atmos audio powered by Q Symphony. This gadget creates multi-dimensional soundscapes and incredible audio quality. Not only that, but it also pairs seamlessly with Samsung TVs. It offers 11.1.4 channel sound as well as Q Symphony, which creates harmony between the TV and the soundbar. Using your TV's neural processing unit, this technology analyzes audio signals and processes each sound for impressive detail. Dell Premier Rechargeable Mouse MS900. Keep your workspace productive and comfortable with the Dell Premier Rechargeable Mouse MS900. It features a thoughtfully designed palm grip, supporting your hand during hours of computer work. For example, you could get a half-day use with just a 1-minute quick charge. A full charge equals up to 3 months of battery life, so you barely have to think about charging this gadget. Finally, pairing is quick and easy with the Dell Pair one-click connectivity. L'Oreal HAPTA handheld computerized makeup applicator. Designed for people with limited hand and arm mobility, the L'Oreal HAPTA handheld computerized makeup applicator makes life easier. This technology prototype expands access to your expression of beauty. Moreover, it incorporates technology originally created by Verily, which stabilizes and levels utensils. HAPTA combines built-in smart motion controls with customizable attachments, so you get an improved range of motion, increased ease of use, and precise application. M-Pwr Smart Door. Door manufacturer Masonite has come up with the industry's first residential smart door with connected technology. In fact, this smart door is a collaboration between Masonite, Ring, and Yale. It incorporates power, light, sensors, a video doorbell, and a smart lock into the door system. To add to this, the Ring video doorbell and the Yale smart door lock make this smart door a perfect addition to your smart home setup. Overall, this door is a complete smart security solution for your home. Science Robotics RoBeetle insect-sized microbot runs on methanol. The Science Robotics RoBeetle insect-sized microbot runs on methanol, a type of alcohol. This substance allows the insect-sized microbot to hold plenty of energy per unit of volume as compared to batteries. In fact, this insect-sized microbot doesn't require an additional external power source. Once there's heat, the robotic legs can move. Weighing only 88 milligrams, it's lightweight but can hold objects up to nearly 3 times its own weight. It can also carry 95 milligrams of fuel and run for 2 hours. Tooking. 2 separately innovative procedures are utilized to treat the surface. The anodized coating for the black and silver is not merely a decorative touch, it also prevents the aluminum from oxidizing and becoming dull or black. This eye-catching camouflage color tool using hydrographic transfer printing is meant to express a peculiar enchantment. All backers will choose the color of their choice after the campaign ends.